Are you looking for a product to help maybe soothe the slight cough that your dog may have? My little dog Sadie is here. She's a French bulldog. She's kind of got a flatter nose, so she gets sometimes a slight cough from time to time. I have found that this product has really helped her. I was sent this from the company to give you my honest review. I want to give you a close-up of it and then some of the ingredients that are on the back. I just put the directions to say a dropper. I just add that to her food. She loves it, and it really helps her. She is spoiled rotten, a little inside dog, but when she needs a little bit of a relief, it also helps with some immunity. I'm happy to give her that just to keep her feeling as good as she can. So if you're looking for a product to really help your dog as well, I highly recommend this one. Thanks so much for watching.